Hello friends, welcome to AgriLearner App Team YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the agriculture current affair of September. We will see all important MCQ of agriculture current affair. Now it is very important for the state PSC, NABARD, IBPS AFO, ICR, JRF and all agriculture competitive examination. Listen all the question very carefully, okay, because all the question are very important. We have selected only important question in this series. Now let's start it. As always, the first question is for you. The question is the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, in short form it is known as PMMSY, under the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, celebrated its dash year anniversary on 10 September 2022. 5th anniversary, 3rd anniversary, 6th anniversary, 2nd anniversary or 7th anniversary. This question is easy also and this question is important also, because in that long current affairs session in descriptive one I have told you it is important. So comment your answer. Now come to the first important question of this series. First important question is, in September 2022, the Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, Narendra Singh Tomar, launched the Project Management Unit on Public-Private Partnership, that is also known as PPP model in the agriculture sector. If in the question they will directly ask PPP model, then understand it is asking about public-private partnership. The question is, which of the following organization jointly initiated the PMU? The options are, first option is Associated Chamber of the Commerce and Industry of the India. Second option is Federation of Indian Chamber of the Commerce and Industry. Third option is Department of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Fourth option is both first and second, and fifth option is both second and third. The correct answer is fifth, because Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry and Department of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare both organize this program on the PPP model. Now come to the next important question of this series. Another important question is, in which city of the Nagaland the Naga Mircha, that is known as King Chilli, Festival 2022 was celebrated on 9 September 2022. Now understand why I included this question. This question is not so much important for your competitive examination. I just included because Naga Mircha is known as King Chilli. You should know this. In the question they can ask which one is the King Chilli and they will give the option. Then always take the Naga Mircha. It is known as King Chilli. Okay, the correct answer is Kohima. So it is not that much important. We will go to the next question. Another important question is, which of the following organization recently in September 2022 collaborated with the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change to launch the Global Environment Facility Small Grant Program? The short form is GEF-SGP. The options are United Nations Environment Program, United Nations Development Program, the Energy and Resource Institute, and fourth option is both first and second, and fifth option is both second and third. The correct answer will be the both second and third, because United Nations of Development Program and the Energy and Resource Institute collaborated for this program. This is important for your NABARD examination. Now come to the next important question of this series. Another important question is, name the hackathon that was recently in September 2022 launched by Indian Council of Agriculture Research, also known as ICAR, to promote the seed breeding for crop improvement. The options are Smart India Hackathon 3.0, second option is Grand Hackathon 3.0, third option is Krishi Hackathon 3.0, fourth option is Hack for Farming 3.0 or fifth option is Kritagya Hackathon 3.0. The correct answer is fifth one, that is Kritagya Hackathon 3.0. That means Kri means Krishi, Tagya means technology and Gya means Gyan. This is the Kritagya Hackathon 3.0. Now come to the next important question of this series. The question is, name the state and union territory that in recently September 2022 partner with the government of Delhi to curb the stubble burning through Pusa biodecomposer. Here they are asking about the name of state and union territory. The options are Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan, Haryana, Uttarakhand. The correct answer will be the Punjab and Delhi have the tie-up with for the Pusa decomposer because of problem of air pollution. Now come to the next important question of this series. Another important question is, in September 2022, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the National Conference of Ministers of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, also known as EF&CC in the short, in which state? The options are Karnataka, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra or Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is Gujarat. In Gujarat, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the National Conference of Minister of Environment and Forest and Climate Change. This is the correct answer is second one. Now come to the next question of this series. Another important question is, name the state government that recently in September 2022 launched the Rural Backyard Piggery Scheme for welfare of farmers. The option is Madhya Pradesh government, Mizoram government, West Bengal government, Assam government or Meghalaya government. The correct answer is Meghalaya. Meghalaya have started the Rural Backyard Piggery Scheme. They can ask the direct question about the state name, they can ask the name of the scheme, or they can ask anything from related to this, because it is important. Because it is important and it is directly related to the animal husbandry. Now come to the next question of this series. Another important question is, in which state recently in September 2022 announced to launch the new scheme, that is Mukhyamantri Gauvansh Mobile Chikitsa Yojana. Remember the name of the scheme. Scheme is Mukhyamantri Gauvansh Mobile Chikitsa Yojana, to provide the mobile healthcare facility for the cattle. Options are Telangana, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. The correct answer is Chhattisgarh launched the scheme Mukhyamantri Gauvansh Mobile Chikitsa Yojana. They can ask direct name of the state, or they can give you the state name and then they will ask the scheme name. Okay, now come to the next important question of this series. Another important question is, in September 2022, the government of India announced a plan to launch the Pradhan Mantri Promotion of Alternate Nutrient for Agriculture Management Yojana. In short form, this Yojana is known as PM Param. So in question, if they will ask PM Param, don't get confused about long name. Okay, under which ministry? Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizer, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, or Ministry of Food Processing Industry, or Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change, Ministry of Housing or Urban Affairs. The correct answer will be the Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizer have launched this scheme, that is in short known as PM Param, and in long it is known as Pradhan Mantri Promotion of Alternate Nutrient for the Agriculture Management Yojana. In this, government is providing the solution that except the chemical fertilizer, you can use the organic fertilizer or biofertilizer. Now come to the next important question of this series. Another important question is, in September 2022, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, in short we know as MOAFW, and the Ministry of Food Processing Industry, in short we know MOFPI, jointly launched the Conveyance Portal for following scheme: Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, Agriculture Infrastructure Fund, Pradhan Mantri Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises, also known as PMFME scheme, or 1 and 3rd, or 1 first, second and third all. The correct answer will be the fifth one, because it is launched for all three schemes. You will get the data of all three schemes in this portal. So remember the name of the portals, name of the app launched by the different government organization, because in the competitive examination they used to ask the name of the portal and these things. Okay, now come to the next important question of the series. Another important question is directly related to the financial service, so it is important for the IBPS AFO examination. Now listen the question very carefully. The question is, which company recently in September 2022 launched Kisan Safalta Card to provide the financing facility for the farmer? Options are Godrej Agrovet Private Limited, Star Agri Bazaar Technology Private Limited, Raghuvansh Agro Farm Private Limited, Agri Feeder Agricultural Service Private Limited, and fifth option. Now correct answer will be the Star Agri Bazaar Private Limited have launched the Kisan Safalta Card. This question can be asked in the many type. They can ask the name of the company and say which card was launched by this company, then it will be the Kisan Safalta Card. The only thing you have to keep in your mind that Kisan Safalta Card was launched by the Star Agri Bazaar Technology Private Limited. Now we will see the next important question that is directly related to the rural sociology, rural science. Okay, now let's see it. This important question is for NABARD examination. The question is, which ministry in September 2022 signed an MOU with the Institute of Rural Management Anand, that is also known as IRMA, to work toward the Sustainable Development Goal? The options are Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Ministry of Panchayati Raj, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Ministry of Rural Development, or Ministry of Health Care and Family Welfare. The correct answer will be the Ministry of Panchayati Raj have signed an MOU with Institute of Rural Technology Anand, okay, for the Sustainable Development Goal. Now come to the next important question of this series, that is, another important question is, name the personality who recently in September 2022 appointed as member of the Food Corporation of India. We also know it as FCI Consultative Committee. Now options are Piyush Kumar Gupta, Nalikesh Jha, Abhishek Mishra, Sanjeev Kumar or Ajit Kumar Sinha. The correct answer is Abhishek Mishra is appointed as consultative committee member, okay, in FCI. Now come to the next important question of this series. It is so popular question. This question is very popular. The question is, what is the theme of 14th Coconut Day 2022 that was observed across the globe on 2nd September 2022? Option is coconut promoting health, creativity and resilience. Second option is cultivate coconut for the happy life and future. Third option is coconut for family wellness. Fourth option is invest in coconut to save the world. And fifth option is coconut for good health, wealth and wellness. The correct answer, the theme of this World Coconut Day 2022 is cultivate coconut for happy life and future. This is the correct answer. Now come to the last important thing of this series. Thank you so much for spending your time in this video. This is very important video for your examination, upcoming examination like IBPS, AFO and other examination. So if you have not joined our WhatsApp group till now, you can join us on 6201733962. You will get this PPT also there, and you can share this video with your friend, those who are preparing for the different competitive examination. And don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you for your love and support.